Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Peace be upon you all. Today, let's take a journey, not just through time, but through faith. A journey to discover how Islam began, how light entered a world filled with darkness. Over 1,400 years ago, in the land of Arabia, there was a city called Makkah. It was a place known for trade and travel, but also for idolatry. People worshipped many gods made of stone and wood, yet deep inside many hearts were lost. Truth was rare, justice was forgotten, and peace was hard to find. But among those people was a man, honest, kind, and humble. His name was Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam ibn Abdullah. Even before prophethood, he was known as Al-Ameen, the trustworthy. He spoke truth, helped the poor, and cared for everyone around him. At the age of 40, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to retreat to a quiet cave, Gar Hira, near Makkah. There, in the silence of the night, he reflected, prayed, and searched for answers. He knew deep inside, there was only one God.
Then one night, the world changed forever. The angel Gabriel appeared before him and said, "Iqra, read." The prophet replied, "I cannot read." The angel repeated again, "Read in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot." Qur'an 96:1-2. These were the first words of the Qur'an, the beginning of a message that would guide humanity forever.
Terrified by the experience, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned home trembling.
His beloved wife Khadijah, may Allah be pleased with her, comforted him, saying, "By Allah, he will never disgrace you. You keep good relations, help the poor, and speak the truth." Through her support, the Prophet found strength, and his mission began.
In the early days, Islam spread quietly, one heart at a time. Among the first believers were Khadijah, Abu Bakr, Ali, Bilal, and others who stood firm in faith. They faced insults, pain, and persecution, yet they never gave up. They believed in one message: there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. Despite the suffering, their faith grew stronger. For every tear, Allah revealed verses full of hope.
So be patient. Indeed, the promise of Allah is truth. Qur'an 30:60.
The message of Islam spread beyond Makkah to Medina and then across the world. It was not spread by swords, but by truth, mercy, and patience. And today, over 1.9 billion Muslims across the globe carry that same message of peace. Every prayer, every Qur'an recitation, every act of kindness continues the story that began in a small cave 14 centuries ago. So, whenever you pray, remember this: your faith comes from a story of strength, patience, and love for Allah. A story that started in the silence of a cave and lives on in your heart today. May Allah keep our hearts firm upon this truth. May He fill our lives with the same light that first touched the heart of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And may we always live with peace, gratitude, and faith. Before we end, my dear brothers and sisters, if this reminder touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more peaceful Islamic reflections. Here, we share gentle reminders to strengthen your iman, connect deeply with Allah, and find peace through prayer, gratitude, and reflection. Join our growing ummah, where every video is made to bring your heart closer to Allah. May Allah bless you all for supporting this journey. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.